Last thing we're going to focus our attention to is vertex form. Now, vertex form is in the following: f of x equals a x minus h squared plus k. And what we can find out from the vertex form, just like the other ones, is whether it's concave up or concave down. Now remember, if a is positive, then it goes up. But if a is negative, it is concave down. That doesn't change. What's new here, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be that HK form. Okay? And what I mean by that, you guys, is we're going to have what's known as a vertex. That's going to be given to us by HK. Now, the vertex of a parabola, ladies and gentlemen, is the highest or the lowest point. So, for example, I already have a parabola that opens down. Here, ladies and gentlemen, we see the vertex is this point here. That's the vertex. Just the same, ladies and gentlemen, if it opens downward, right? Our vertex, you guys, the highest point in this case would be there. Those would be the vertex. Now I want to give you guys an actual example, ladies and gentlemen, so we see what things look like numerically speaking. So let's look at an example. Let's say we have the following. We are given f of x equals, now let's put a fraction in there, 1/2. Okay? Don't freak out about the fraction, you guys, it's okay. X minus 5 squared plus 3. Now what I always like to do, ladies and gentlemen, is go ahead and write the vertex form right underneath it so we remember what it looks like. A x minus h squared plus k. Okay? And doing so, we can easily identify what all these values are. Here a is positive 1/2. Since it's positive, it's concave up. H, look you guys, we have to be very careful like before. What I want you to understand, when there's a minus here, that minus, you guys, is really going to change things. That's going to take the opposite of that. So although it looks like h is negative 5, you guys, if you match these up, these two negatives would essentially cancel each other out, and you're left with h is positive 5. Okay. K, on the other hand, you guys, it is what you get. Okay. K in this hand, ladies and gentlemen, is positive 3. Okay. Again, with h is opposite what's given. It seems like it would be negative 5, but it is opposite, and for that reason it is positive 5. K is not opposite, okay? Because you see how we have a plus 3? That doesn't change anything. So we have whatever number is given there. We have our vertex at 5, 3, and we know it's concave up. Okay? The way we're going to do that, you guys, this right here is the highest point, or the lowest point. Okay, depending on how it opens. And we'll see what that looks like. So let's go ahead and just give ourselves a rough sketch of what this graph is going to look like. It's going to go at positive 5, positive 3, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Positive 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's where we have our first point. That's our vertex, 5, 3. And then, ladies and gentlemen, we simply follow the rest. The only thing we know is it's concave up, so it opens upward like such. And there is our parabola. It's going to look like that with our vertex there at 5, 3.